Hey everybody, just wanted to check in with you and let you see what I'm doing here in North Carolina. So I got some North Carolina solar leads going and I'm getting them less than $1.65 per lead here on this campaign. You can see I got 74. You can see it's today. There's no games or gimmicks, and let's refresh the screen here. All right, so I got 74 here for less than $1.65 per lead. But I want to talk about why. So as you can see to my left here, I do a lot of duplication at the campaign level. I never do it with the ad sets. So that's the first thing. The second thing is I always try different pictures. So take a look right here. So you see this South Carolina one? This is going to the same audience. Once again, same audience. And look at this, $11 and no leads. And so, but South Carolina, let's go back up. Same thing over here. Well, I'm getting them for $5.08 per lead. And then I had one down here. I think I was getting them. I don't know why I turned this off, but I guess that's just what happens. I should have kept this one on at $3.72. But I don't know. Maybe the leads came in afterwards and I turned it off prematurely. Anyway, you can see North Carolina is really where it's at right now. But getting back to the point at hand is that I tried different pictures because I know that it's the picture. I know my ad copy is really, really good. And so I know a lot of times it's just a picture. So the same to the same audience, but different pictures. And then another thing, your offer is really important too. So you know that, most of you already know that. But did you know that if an area hasn't really seen your offer, that they're more inclined to click on it and give it a chance? Don't know if you knew that. So really, if you have like a great offer, I hate it when it does that. If you have like a great offer in that you've been running in other areas, and you come to like a newer area that's never seen it, they're gonna jump all over it. And so right now, I have a great opportunity to go ahead and show this offer to this audience. Now, when I run ads for solar, I typically have about 7 or 8 different offers that I run. And that's actually what kind of makes it fun, is because they seen this offer, and in my mind I'm like, man, if they like this, they're gonna be all over the other stuff. And so I can't wait to kind of go through this again. And so these solar leads are actually for my team. So you can see, I wish it would give like the total results, like how many leads at the bottom. But you can see I spent almost $1,200 today, and I'm probably just going to let it go to 155. So my ad daily budget on each ad is $155 a day for this. So I just almost going to spend 1,200. Really going to spend more than that today, probably somewhere around 1,500, I would think, once all this is said and done. And we've already got a bunch of proposals. We've already pitched some. We got some that have been approved for credit, some that's been denied. So it's pretty exciting. But I just wanted to check in with you all, let you know that I'm still doing solar. But when people contact me about other things such as business loan leads, home security leads, you guys are going to see some other stuff too. I have some other companies reaching out to me for other things, and I plan to show results for that. So, but just wanted to check in, let you guys see that I'm still out here knocking it out of the park with the solar ads, and I hope you all are doing well. I'll talk to you later.